Hey everybody, this is Christian, your favorite DMV Realtor. Today we are in Alexandria, Virginia, looking at this gorgeous move-in ready townhome. As you walk into this home, you're first greeted by the staircase that leads to your main level and to the recreation space. Down in the recreation room, this is a perfect space for entertaining guests or for that home office you've always wanted. Next, we'll move to the main level, and you'll find here the kitchen, which is the heart of the home. This is a massive kitchen with high-end appliances, nice cabinets, and plenty of counter space. As you can see, the main level is also spacious, so much so it made me want to dance. Yeah, I know, a little cheesy, but this main level is perfect for entertaining all your guests. Let's head upstairs where you will find 3 of your bedrooms and 2 of your bathrooms. As you can see, the secondary bedrooms are a nice size and they let in a lot of natural light. Step into the hallway, you'll find your laundry room. And from there, you'll walk into your primary suite, which has 3 windows. It has a nice size walk-in closet. The ensuite in the primary bedroom also has double vanities and a nice size shower that has a rain shower head. As you head to the last level of this home, you'll find another full bathroom and another bedroom. This home has plenty of bedrooms. As if that wasn't enough, you also get an additional loft space, which is another room perfect for entertaining your guests. And to top it all off, you get a rooftop terrace. While we were here, there were some guests visiting with us. This amazing home is priced at $819,000. But wait, there's more. The builder is offering special interest rates for contracts written on or after February 13th and that close by March the 31st. If you're interested in learning more about this, please reach out to me and I will get you connected with the builder. And if this price point is not where you want to be, there is another model available that's quick move-in, available at $779,000. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own a beautiful home in Alexandria, Virginia. Reach out to me as soon as you can.